Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2013 Porsche 911 Carrera S. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing a scratch on the front. Everything looks spotless so far. Let's have a look at the driver's fender and wheel. This fender looks really good. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. I'm not seeing any scratches on this door at all. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel does have a few scratches. There's a few one right there and two up there. The wheel looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches on it at all. Let's take a look at the back of the car. Okay, the spoiler looks fine. Also, the back bumper is in good condition. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks fine. I'm not seeing any dents on it or scratches. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side door. I'm not seeing any scratches on this door at all. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look inside, and we're going to start with the driver's seat. The seat looks very good. Let's move on to the door panel. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.